Let me tell you something that I think about every single time I see a woman struggling with her midi skirt in a changing room mirror. She is not the problem. The skirt is not the problem. Her age is absolutely not the problem. It is one thing, and one thing only: the way the skirt is being styled. Welcome back to Ageless Style Studio, where we have one firm, unshakable belief: that style after 60 is not about shrinking yourself, following rules that were never made for you, or giving up the pieces you love. It is about understanding exactly how to wear them so they work completely in your favor. And today, we are talking about one of the most misunderstood, most underestimated, most unfairly abandoned pieces in the wardrobe of women over 60, the midi skirt. Now, I want to say something right at the start of this video that I know is going to be controversial, and I genuinely want your response in the comments. I believe the midi skirt is the single most flattering length a woman over 60 can wear. More flattering than the mini, more flattering than the maxi. And yes, I will stand by that completely. But here is the catch. It is also the length that is most often styled incorrectly. And when a midi skirt is styled wrong, it does not just look off. It can genuinely add years to your appearance in a way that is deeply unfair to a piece that has so much potential. So today, I am giving you 5 simple but genuinely transformative styling hacks that will change how your midi skirts look on you forever. No new wardrobe needed, no expensive purchases required. Just 5 shifts in how you think about and style the skirts you likely already own. And I promise you this: by the time we reach hack number 5, you are going to want to go straight to your wardrobe and try every single one of these on the spot. Let us get into it. Hack number 1: balance your silhouette. This is where everything goes wrong. I want you to picture an outfit you have probably worn before. A beautiful flowing midi skirt, soft and comfortable, paired with a loose, relaxed top. Maybe a breezy linen blouse, maybe an oversized knit. It feels comfortable. It feels safe. It feels like the kind of outfit that asks nothing of you. And that is exactly the problem. When you pair volume below with volume above, something quietly disappears from your outfit. Your shape, your definition, the natural, graceful line of your body. And without that, even the most beautiful midi skirt starts to feel heavy, unbalanced, and yes, aging. Now, here's where I say something that I know some of you might push back on in the comments, and I want you to honestly tell me if you disagree. I think the fashion advice that tells women over 60 to go looser, go bigger, go more relaxed everywhere is some of the most damaging style advice ever given to our generation. Comfort is not the enemy of elegance, but shapelessness is. Here is the good news. You do not need tighter clothes. You do not need restrictive clothing. You simply need balance. And the rule is almost embarrassingly simple. Volume below, structure above. That is it. That is the whole secret. If your midi skirt is full and flowing, your top should bring a little gentle structure. A fitted knit, a gently tucked blouse, a slightly tailored top that lets your waist exist without squeezing it. Not tight, not restrictive, just gently defined. That one shift gives your outfit direction. It gives your body a natural, graceful line, and it transforms the exact same skirt from something that overwhelms you into something that elevates you completely. Same skirt, completely different woman, all from one simple principle of balance. Hack number 2. Your shoes are either making or breaking your entire look. This one surprises a lot of women when I say it, but it is absolutely true, and once you see it, you cannot unsee it. The fastest way to ruin a beautiful midi skirt outfit is the wrong shoes. Because a midi skirt does not just sit on your body, it interacts with your entire silhouette, all the way down to the floor. And the shoes you choose at the bottom either continue that elegant line or they cut it off completely. Here is the mistake that happens most often. Shoes that are too heavy, too chunky, or too bulky at the ankle. Thick-soled trainers, heavy ankle boots with lots of hardware, wide-strapped sandals that crowd the ankle. These create what I call a visual full stop at the bottom of your outfit. The eye travels down the beautiful line of your skirt and then hits a hard, heavy stop. And suddenly, your legs look shorter, your outfit looks heavier, and the whole look loses its lightness and grace. Now, here is my controversial opinion on shoes and midi skirts, and I really want to hear what you think. I believe pointed toe flats are more flattering on women over 60 than almost any heel. More elongating, more modern, and infinitely more comfortable for actually living your life in. And the fashion industry has spent decades telling us otherwise. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. Here are your 3 shoe choices that will never let you down with a midi skirt. Low block heels. Just enough height to add polish and elegance without a single moment of discomfort. Perfect from morning through evening. Pointed toe flats. That subtle pointed shape naturally elongates the leg line and adds a refinement to the whole outfit that a round toe flat simply cannot replicate. Sleek, minimal trainers. And before you scroll past this option, hear me out. Not chunky, not heavily branded. Sleek, clean, structured trainers in white or neutral tones bring a modern, effortless energy to a midi skirt that feels completely current and genuinely chic. And here is the styling secret that changes everything. The closer your shoe color is to your skirt color or your skin tone, the longer and more continuous your leg line appears. Contrast creates a visual break. Harmony creates flow. With a midi skirt, your ankle becomes a focal point. Keep it clean, keep it open, keep it light. Same outfit, same skirt, just different shoes. The difference is remarkable. If these hacks are resonating with you, and I truly hope they are, please take a second right now to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. Every week at Ageless Style Studio, we bring you exactly this kind of practical, honest, genuinely useful style guidance made specifically for women over 60. We would love to have you as a permanent part of this community. Now, let us keep going because the next 3 hacks are where it really gets interesting. Hack number 3. The fabric you choose changes absolutely everything. Not all midi skirts are created equal, and I think this is one of the most underappreciated truths in all of fashion. You can have 2 midi skirts in the exact same color, the exact same length, even the exact same cut, and one will make you look effortlessly graceful, while the other makes you look like you are fighting your outfit with every step you take. The difference is the fabric. As we get older, the way clothing moves on our bodies becomes increasingly important. Stiff, heavy, rigid fabrics add visual weight. They make an outfit feel clunky and labored. But soft, fluid fabrics move with you. And that movement, that gentle sway with each step, is what creates the visual quality we call elegance. Here are the fabrics that work against you in a midi skirt. Heavy materials that refuse to drape and instead stick out stiffly from your body. Cheap synthetic fabrics that are overly shiny and rigid. Thick pleats that flare outward rather than flowing downward. These fabrics make the skirt work against you rather than with you. And here are the fabrics that will make you look like you glided into the room. Chiffon, soft satin, lightweight cotton blends, fluid crepe. These fabrics move naturally with your body. They create softness and motion. They make the simple act of walking look graceful. Here is a test I want you to try the next time you are shopping, or even pulling something from your own wardrobe. Take a step while wearing the skirt. Just one step. If the fabric moves gently with you, you are on exactly the right track. If it feels like the skirt is moving against you or staying rigidly in place, it is working too hard and making you work too hard in return. And once you have the right fabric, the pairing rule is simple. A soft, flowing skirt needs a slightly structured top to create balance. A textured or detailed skirt needs a clean, simple top, so neither one competes with the other. When the fabric is right, you do not just look elegant, you feel elegant. And that feeling carries into how you carry yourself in every single room you walk into. Hack number 4, how to layer without drowning yourself. I want to talk about something that I see constantly with midi skirt outfits, and it is one of the most well-intentioned styling mistakes a woman can make: over-layering. It usually comes from the same place as the loose top problem: a desire for comfort, a desire to feel covered, a desire to feel safe in the outfit. And none of those desires are wrong. But when a midi skirt, which already brings volume and presence to the lower half of the body, is paired with a long, heavy, oversized outer layer, something gets lost entirely. Your silhouette disappears. The outfit stops looking polished and starts looking weighed down. And the beautiful movement and grace of the midi skirt gets completely buried under layers that were meant to help, but are actually competing. Here is the rule that will fix this permanently and immediately. Your outer layer should end at or slightly above your hip. That is the rule. Simple, clear, and completely transformative. When your jacket, cardigan, or blazer ends at or just above the hip, it does 2 things simultaneously. It defines your waist and creates that balance we talked about in hack 1. And it allows the full length and movement of the midi skirt to remain visible and uninterrupted below. A cropped jacket is perhaps the single most flattering piece you can pair with a midi skirt. It defines your waist instantly and keeps your proportions perfectly balanced without any effort at all. A lightweight cardigan, worn slightly open or gently front-tucked, adds softness and warmth without adding bulk or heaviness. A well-tailored blazer that ends at the hip adds instant authority and polish. It gives your outfit shape and structure without a... Hack number 5. The small details that take a good outfit to genuinely stunning. We have talked about silhouette, we have talked about shoes, fabric, and layering. And now we have reached the final hack, the one that ties absolutely everything together: accessories. And I want to say something about accessories and women over 60 that I feel very strongly about. I think most women over 60 are either under-accessorizing because they have been told to keep it minimal and quiet, or they are over-accessorizing because they have been told accessories are a safe way to add personality without taking risks with clothing. Both of these approaches miss the real secret. The secret is not more. The secret is not less. The secret is intention. One deliberate, well-chosen focal point that completes the outfit, rather than competing with it. With a midi skirt, which already carries visual interest through its length and movement, you want accessories that refine the look, rather than add noise to it. Choose one focal point and commit to it. A statement necklace or a pair of elegant earrings. Not both fighting for attention at the same time. One, chosen deliberately, worn with complete confidence. A structured handbag is perhaps the most underestimated accessory a woman over 60 can own. It adds polish, intention, and an immediate sense of elegance to even the simplest outfit. A simple belt, even a delicate one, can quietly transform your entire silhouette by adding just enough definition at the waist to give the outfit its final sense of shape and direction. True elegance does not try too hard. It simply refines. And when your accessories are chosen with intention rather than habit, they do not distract from your outfit. They complete it. Here is the difference I want you to picture. The same midi skirt outfit with no accessories. It looks nice, pleasant, perfectly fine. Now the same outfit with one structured bag, one pair of elegant earrings, and a simple belt at the waist. It looks polished, intentional, and quietly stunning. The outfit did not change. The woman did not change. Just 3 deliberate choices made all the difference. Now, let me give you something you can use immediately every single morning. 4 ready-made formulas that take all 5 hacks and put them together for you. Formula 1, the elegant day look. Midi skirt, fitted knit top, low block heels, structured bag. Balanced, comfortable, and completely refined. Formula 2, the casual chic look. Midi skirt, tucked in blouse, sleek minimal trainers, light cropped jacket. Relaxed but completely put together. Formula 3, the elevated evening look. Midi skirt, silky blouse, simple pointed toe heels, 1 pair of statement earrings. Simple, striking, and genuinely beautiful. Formula 4, the modern minimal look. Midi skirt, clean neutral top, cropped blazer, minimal accessories in 1 metallic tone. Quiet luxury, timeless presence. Do you notice the pattern running through every single one of these formulas? Balance above, elegance below. When your outfit follows that one principle, you genuinely cannot go wrong. So let us bring this all together. It was never really about the midi skirt. It was about how it was styled, the balance of your silhouette, the shoes that continue your line rather than cut it, the fabric that moves with you rather than against you, the layers that support your shape rather than bury it, and the final details that quietly pull everything into something genuinely beautiful. And when all of that comes together, you do not just look well-dressed. You look effortlessly, undeniably. Now I want to hear from you, and I mean it. Which of these 5 hacks surprised you the most? Was it the shoe trick, the layering rule, or the accessory secret? And here is my question that I want your most honest answer to in the comments below. Do you think women over 60 have been unfairly talked out of wearing midi skirts by fashion advice that simply does not understand them? Tell me exactly what you think. I read every comment, and your perspective genuinely shapes what we create here. If this video helped you see your midi skirts differently today, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more women just like you discover Ageless Style Studio. And if you are not yet part of our community, subscribe right now and tap that bell. You do not want to miss what is coming next. Now, go find your favorite midi skirt. Try just one of these hacks today and wear it like the elegant, confident woman you already are.